Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn the next lesson, fifth lesson, that is family values. So family values means the family. What is mean by a family? Family means it is a group of two or more members, okay, which they live together more and celebrate festivals together. We take decisions together. That means a family. It is a family is a group of two or more persons related by birth, marriages, or adoption who live together. That means it's a family. All such related persons are considered as the members of one family. Okay, there are different types of family. One is the joint family and nuclear family. In joint family, the people, one or two or many peoples are lived together. Their siblings, their spouse, and other members, and a grandfather, then grandmother, mummy, papa, said that all live together in chacha, chachi, that all live together in joint family. Nuclear family means it's a small family. Mummy, papa और उनके बच्चे. That is means that it's a small family. It's a part of a nuclear family. So what is that means? So we have to learn the role in decision making. What is our role in decision making of family? So in family we live together. Every person's likes and dislikes are different. Family में जब हम लोग रहते हैं तो हमें वो सब चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. लाइक एंड डिसलाइक्स मीन्स किसी को कौन सी बात अच्छी लगती है, किसी को कौन सी बात अच्छी नहीं लगती. सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीवन्स लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स, है ना. किसी को बुरा लगता है क्या कुछ करने के बाद, किसी को कौन सी बात अच्छी नहीं लगती. सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट थिंग इन अवर फैमिली. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ अ फैमिली. देन थॉट्स एंड ओपिनियंस कैन ऑल्सो डिफरेंट इन फैमिली. किसी की कुछ बातें अलग होती है, किसी के विचार अलग होते हैं, किसी के ओपिनियंस अलग होते हैं. मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट ओपिनियंस ऑल्सो इन द फैमिली. We ourselves are different from others. Even so, our thoughts and opinions can match those of other on various topics. है ना? Then we have love and affection for each other. एक दूसरे के प्रति हम लोगों को फैमिली मेंबर्स में प्यार होता है ना. किसी को कुछ दुख होता है तो सब फैमिली के मेंबर्स में भी जो फैमिली के मेंबर्स also worried for each other. Means we take care of each other and are concerned about other well-being in our family. We talk to each other before making decisions about anything in the house. So it's a one thing, it is very important thing. So if we have to celebrate any function in our family, what we do, we टेक मीटिंग हम लोग लेते हैं. इसमें हम लोग प्लानिंग करते हैं. कोई भी फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करना है या कोई मैरिज सेलिब्रेट करना है या फिर बर्थडे का सेलिब्रेशन करना है. व्हाट वी डू, वी मेक अवर डिसीजन. हम लोग सबके एक की राय लेते हैं एंड वी फाइनल द डिसीजन. वी टेक मीटिंग लेते हैं. उसमें कैसे सेलिब्रेट करना है बर्थडे, क्या करना है, हॉल लेना है कि नहीं लेना है, कौन से कैटरिंग वालों को बुलाना है, कौन से खाने के आइटम्स हमें पार्टी में रखने हैं. दैट वी मेक अ लिस्ट एंड वी टेक ईच एंड एवरीवन्स डिसीजन. सो वी हैव टू डू द रोल इन द डिसीजन मेकिंग. इट इज वेरी मच important role in decision making. We should have to take a part of a decision making. It is very much important in our family. We consult each other and make decision that everyone agree with us. In this way we are the part of decision making in the family baby. So it is very much important. It plays the most important role in planning process. Okay. when the managers plan, they decide so many matters and what goals their organization will pursue, what resources they will use and who will perform each required task, कि कौन कौन क्या क्या करना है. So that is means the main thing is the role of decision making in family is very much important. हर एक person का decision अपना अपना होना चाहिए. That is one of the most important thing. Okay, then what happens when everyone has a role in decision making? क्या होता है when everyone's role in decision making? What happens? Then each person gets opportunity to say what they think. सबको अपना अपना चांस मिलता है डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए, हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हर एक की आइडियाज बाहर आती है. उसमें से हम लोग भी देखते हैं क्लास में, कुछ भी करना है क्लास में तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सबको खड़ा कर करके पूछते हैं कि आपको क्या लगता है, what we have to perform, what we have to, and everyone gets a good opportunity to say what they think. So that is very much important role in decision making. Then by asking everyone's opinion, okay, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspects. सब एस्पेक्ट से हम लोग सब्जेक्ट देखते हैं कि कैसे करना चाहिए टू रीच अ गोल, टू सक्सेस अवर प्रोग्राम, टू सक्सेस अवर function. So decision making is very much important and everyone has a decision making power its own, है ना. Then we feel that a more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. फिर सभी को अच्छा लगता है कि चलो मेरी बात मान ली सबने, है ना. So that is very much important. Then note one thing, effect of honest and dishonest behavior also. Effect of honest and dishonest behavior. Honesty means, honest person means that they always tells the truth. Honest person means they always tell the truth. Take an example. If any friend borrow a pencil from another your friend, so what happened? After she finished using it, she returned it. After her work finished, when she returned the thing, means that the girl who borrowed a pencil from you, means that girl is honest. Honestly she returns you the pencil. Okay, she shows the honesty. Again another example, Shama fell from her bicycle and however she told her mother, Neha pushed me off the bicycle. Okay, so that means the honesty. So honesty is the best policy. You should be honest every time. Okay, so effect of honest and dishonest behavior also very much important in our family. We do many different things every day. Sometimes we make mistake. So we should realize our mistake. That means we are honest. When we realize that we have made a mistake, then we should talk about it openly with our friends and family. So that shows the honesty. By doing this, we learn to be honest and find a way to correct our mistake. अगर हमसे गलती होती है कोई भी, तो हम लोगों को वो मानने की, गलती मानने की अपनी क्षमता होनी चाहिए. Means we have to honest. Always we have to show our honesty and dishonesty also. It is also necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. That show our honesty. We must try hard to keep the trust in any relationship and never cheat to each other. Okay, so if we are honest, we do not have to be afraid. But if we are dishonest, we lose our self confidence. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, कभी भी आप क्लास में देखते हो तो क्लास में कोई सच बोलता है और कोई झूठ बोलता है, तो झूठ बोलने वाले का क्या होता है, that the person lose its self confidence. वो ढंग से झूठ भी, और झूठ हमेशा पकड़ा जाता है. सो ऑलवेज बी ट्रूथ, ऑलवेज बी ऑनेस्ट. ऑनेस्ट इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. We must be honest at home as well as in public also. Everyone's respect an honest person. Honesty is our strength. If we are honest, no one cheat us. है ना? Honesty, जो भी honest होता है, सच कभी भी, झूठ कभी भी सामने आता है. झूठ वाला पर्सन है दैट वो खुद के मन को ही उसको बुरा लगता है कि चलो वो जब सारे दुनिया को फंसा सकता है पर खुद को नहीं फंसा सकता, है ना? So honest person is very sincere and honesty is our strength. Then honesty in public life. If we have to honest at home, we have to show our honesty in school also, in class also, in public life also we should have to honest. If we are honest in our public life, we will get better public services and facilities. Okay, what happens if we travel on a train or by bus without a ticket? What happens? Our public transport system will run at a loss and would soon have to shut down. हम बिना टिकट के अगर ट्रैवल करते तो क्या होगा? गवर्नमेंट हमें सब फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करती है. जब हम लोग टिकट निकालते हैं तब जो ट्रेन वाले काम करते हैं लोग, जो वहां पे वर्कर्स होते हैं, उनको सैलरी मिलती है. इफ वी ट्रैवल विदाउट टिकट, व्हाट हैपन? आवर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम विल रन at a loss and would soon have to shut down. If each person buy a ticket honestly, this problem will not arise. है ना? वैसे भी हम लोग देखो, अगर ऑनेस्टली हम लोग ट्रैफिक सिग्नल का फॉलो करेंगे, है ना? अगर पुलिस रहता है तो हम लोग सिग्नल का फॉलो करते, पर कोई लोग जो है, जब यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक पुलिस नहीं रहता, दे नेवर फॉलो द ट्रैफिक सिग्नल. उससे की वजह से क्या होता है? Various accidents takes place in that area. So we should have to follow honestly the traffic signal. अगर पुलिस रहता है, नहीं भी रहता है, तो हमें वही फॉलो करना चाहिए. It can what happen then? उससे जो रूल्स फॉलो करना है, सब लोग, एक ने अगर रूल तोड़ा तो सारे लोग रूल तोड़ देते हैं. अगर एक रूल जब फॉलो कर रहा रहता है तो सारे लोगों को रूल फॉलो ही करना पड़ता है. that means honest. And honesty can increase efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. Okay, as I told you earlier, so we should be honest in public places also. अगर एक कचरा करता है तो सारे लोग वहां पे कचरा करने चले जाते हैं ना. अगर हम लोग अच्छे से डस्टबिन यूज करेंगे पब्लिक प्लेसेस पे, तो सारे लोग भी यूज कर सकते, पब्लिक प्लेसेस पे डस्टबिन भी का यूज कर सकते टू थ्रो द गार्बेज. सो देन एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कॉपरेशन. We should cooperate each other. In a family, we cooperate with each other. Similarly, in a team sports, the more the players cooperate with one another. अगर आप अभी देख रहे हो कि ओलंपिक्स की मैचेस हो रही है ना? So in hockey match, India won the bronze medal. Okay, so what? This is because of the cooperation of the players. अगर players में cooperation है, उनकी टीम अच्छी है, एक दूसरे को हेल्प कर रहे हैं, so we can achieve our goal. So that means we should have to cooperate each other. Then instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted to the sports, we should bring it into public life as well. Everyone needs cooperation in public life. We too need the help of each other. Fairs, rallies, and other such gatherings can only be arranged successfully if we cooperate with one another. So every time to celebrate the functions, to celebrate the gatherings, to celebrate rallies, fairs, we need cooperation of each other. Okay, children. So that is about the advantages of cooperation. We should cooperate each other. अगर हम लोग एक दूसरे को कोऑपरेट करेंगे तो हमारे जो भी कोऑपरेशन की वजह से भी लोग प्रोग्राम सक्सेस कर सकते हैं. Then next, one teacher taking us to see a fort. It will be a lot of fun. So it's one activity. We have to discuss this. But let us not include Savita and Samir in our group. Savita talks too much and Samir is always playing pranks. So what? Savita sings well. Samir tells jokes. Let's talk to them. They will understand. Let's not leave them out. So that's true. I didn't think of that. Let us prepare for a trip together. Okay, Savita and Samir. Then, yes, Gayatri said, Gayatri is right. Let us learn new song from Savita and new jokes from Samir. So what happened? Our teacher is taking us to see a fort. Okay, it's a discussion. Read the dialogue writing, dialogue given below and discuss problems stated and its solution. So you have to solve this problem. Our teachers, again I am going to repeat this. Our teachers taking us to see a fort. It will be a lot of fun, है ना? Then, but let us not include Savita and Samir in our group. So this is very, Savita talks too much and Samir is always playing pranks. Okay, so what? Savita sings well and Samir tells joke. Let us talk to them. They will understand. Let's not leave them out. Okay, that's a discussion. That's true. I didn't think of that. Let us prepare for a trip together. Means, yes, Gayatri is right. Gayatri said, yes. Let us learn new song from Savita and new jokes from Samir. So we have to all together. When you, that shows your honesty. Okay, children. So next period we will continue another topic. So bye everyone.